and then you will have a small content, right? So this is actually bigger and this column is smaller, right? Or maybe if you want bigger content and then smaller, you can also, you can customize the width of the column. So how do you do that? So total width is equal to 100. Okay, please listen. So total width is equal to 100. You can divide how much ever you want. Total width is 100 percentage. So suppose maybe this can be like 70 percentage and this can be like 30 percentage, the column. Okay, so you should decide how much you want. Why didn't you tell me that it was not screen share? Why didn't you tell me all this much time? Wait. I was drawing all these things. Why didn't you guys tell me? Okay, I'll have to repeat it once again. Okay, listen. In your blog, like you can have some text and image, or you can have like you can customize the width of the column. All right, so the total width of the screen is 100 percentage. So how do you customize the column? Like each one, suppose you have a big typography here and a small image here. So how can you customize this? This is like you can arrange maybe width equal to 80 percentage and this width equal to 20 percentage. You know, you can arrange the number of how much percentage you want, or maybe this can be like 60 percentage, 60 40, yeah. This can be like 20 percentage, this can be 20 percentage. Like together it should be like 100. Okay, now again, this is one particular row, right? This is another row and this is another row, right? So when you write the code, how do you write? First, you need to tell the row. You need to write the code for the row. Then you will have to write the code for the column, right? And then you will have to put the content. This is what we did in the last class, right? But since you have different, you can see you have different width, we need to create a style for all these columns. You can give different names. First, you can give different names. So first, this will be my, for example, please listen. I will not repeat this again, okay? Please listen. So suppose this is my left column. You can give any name, okay? And this is gonna be my right column, okay? So this is how you write the code. First you will write div class row, okay? First you will write the code for the row. Then you will have to write the code for div class. It is not column. You have to give the name of left column, okay? Left column. Then you can write blah blah blah. Close it. Then again you will be writing the code for right column. Div class right column, blah blah blah. Then you can close it, okay? Suppose you can give any name, okay? This one you can give any name, but you should write the same spelling. That is why I will show you examples. Can you tell me how can you write this? Suppose I'm giving this is column A, column B and column C. Okay, suppose this is the name that I'm giving for these three columns. So what will be the code? First, tell me the code. First, I'll be writing the column, the code for the row, right? Then what will I write? Tell me. Row, column, right? So what is the name of the first column? Are you understanding? Yeah? Yeah. Div class column A. You should call the column A. Then you will call div class column B and div class column C. Okay. Now, if I simply call column A, column B, column C, will you get this width? No, you need to give the style, right? So how can you write the style? This is the HTML code. All these are HTML codes. This is so when you write the HTML, because you have a particular style, you have a customized width, right? So you should create a style for all these columns. You get it? Are you understanding the logic? Trust. Yeah, so for each column you need to create a style. So I'll be creating, okay, I will draw from the beginning, like I will start with the EC code. Okay. Suppose if this is one column, I have some text and I have an image. Okay. So here the width that I would like to give is, here the width I would like to give a width equal to 80% for this column and width equal to like obviously 20%. Okay, and you can give any name. So just I'm giving left column and right column. Okay, so I will write the style code. First one is I'm writing style. I'm creating the style. Okay, so dot left column, you should always write this dot. Okay, then you can give, you are giving it, I mean this is the code. Okay, you should write float left, then width equal to 80%. Okay, this is the first code. Then right column again, float again, I think, yeah, float towards the right side, right? Then width equal to 20%. So this is the style. After creating the style, then you can write the HTML code. What will be the HTML code? I will be writing div. First, I'll be writing the row, and then I'll be calling div this one, left column, div class left. You can give any name, okay? But you should write the same name that you have written here. And then you can write what is inside left column. I have a text, maybe a small paragraph. So paragraph blah blah blah. Close the column. Okay. Next is right column. Right column I'm having an image. So I'm writing div class right column. Then it is an image code. Close the div. That's all. So everything is dependent on the style that you give. Okay, everything is dependent on what kind of style. You should always keep this in mind. Give the width how much width you want to give. And then it is just the normal, the old code that you used to do in the assignment one. You remember, right? First we have a row, then we have column, and then you put the content inside it. Okay? Same process. Did you understand the logic? Yeah? Okay, so we will just start doing the code. So this is my output right now. Okay, I'll just delete it. Okay, I'm having a, like here maybe I'll give 80. No, I'll give 70 and 30. Okay, so $70 and 30%. The first is my left column. Dot left, sorry, this is inside the style. First I'm gonna write the style, okay? Please do it with me, okay? Or else you will not understand. Uneven column style. 70% and 30%. Okay, the first one is left column. First one is float. That is, you're allowing the column to start from the left side. The first column is from the left side. That is why we are giving float. Float is, you're just flowing, okay? The float. So float left. Because the first column is on the left side, right? So it will come like one by one. It starts from the left. That is why we are giving float equal to left. The first person is standing in the left. So if you have column 2, column 3, it comes behind the left. Okay, that's why. Then width is gonna be 70%. That's all. Okay, now my second column, right column. Float is gonna be left again. Yeah, it's gonna be left because this is my left column. It is on the left side. Now my right column is after the left. It is still going towards the left side, right? That is why. Just like you stand in a queue, it goes in one particular direction. If you stand in a ticket counter or somewhere, right? Like if one goes, it comes behind it. So that is why we are giving left, float equal to left. Then width is 30%. Okay. Now this is my style. So I will just add my HTML code. First is div class row Inside the row, I'm giving my first column, that is div. Can you see? Div class. What is this one? Just copy paste this. Left column. Copy. Left column. Now what do you want inside left column? You can write anything. I'll write H1. Okay, I think I will choose a better one. Copy. This one is gonna be my H1. And then I have a small paragraph. Okay. So close your paragraph. This is my first column, okay? Now my second column. Again, div class, right column. You can copy paste the same name. You can give any name, okay? You can give even your name, no problem. Maybe I'm just copy pasting the same. Copy. I'm giving a small paragraph. Okay. Save. Let's see the output. Did you see this? This one is of 70%. This one is be of 30%. Did you get this? Yeah. Now there is no, I have not given any style. Like you can include the margin. You can give more padding. It will look much more beautiful. All right. So maybe you can give go to your style, left column. You can give a small padding. You can give a small padding. You're giving an overall padding of like 30 pixels if you want. Say, let's see the output. You can see. If you give just padding, that means padding top, padding bottom, padding left, padding right. Okay? If you just mention only padding, that means you're including all the 4 padding. You need not have to mention padding top, padding left, blah, blah, blah. Okay. But if you want customize, you can still add padding top equal to this much, padding bottom equal to this much. It's up to you. Okay. So I'm just increasing like 50 pixels. Save. Okay. So you can see I got an overall padding. Okay. Similarly, I'm gonna give overall padding for my right column. See. Okay, see, I got a padding over here. Now, if you want, you can also insert an image. Like, let's see how it works. I'm adding a small image um, to my right column. It's too small. Okay. Okay, did you see this? So if you want to get more like a feeling of a blog, we will add cards. Do you know what is a card? Have you studied in web design 1? Card. What is a card? CARD, card. Card. You don't know what is a card? Okay, it looks something like this. You have a heading. Like this. It looks like one particular box. This is a card. A card consists of a. Wait, I'll tell. No, 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 no. A card consists of headings, body, images, buttons. It carries together. A card carries a lot of things together. This is the easiest way I can explain. Wait, suppose you have an image, you have a heading. Like if you do for shopping, you can see some buttons. Did you see this particular thing? Like this one. It is in a particular box, and this box carries a lot of things. Like each thing is clickable. Heading is clickable. When you click an image, it is clickable. If you click this button, it takes you to another page. So it is like a box. In your mobile, you see, in Facebook, you see a lot of cards in your mobile apps. Suppose if this is your mobile. What? Okay. I will show you more examples like. Have you seen these in your mobile apps? Like each set, each boxes. So each box contain a lot of information. So this is like one card, card 1, card 2, card 3, card 4, card 5. The easiest example of a card layout is Pinterest. If you check Pinterest, everything is in the card form, right? Now, did you understand what is a card? Okay. So, a block, I want to give a more feeling of a block. So, in case if you want to add a card, I will teach you how to do that. Okay, suppose I want a card for this particular thing. Okay, I will show you. Okay, I'm gonna, before I write column, after I write the column, I want the content to be inside a card. So I will write div class card. That's all. So all these things, this my paragraph and my image is gonna be inside a card, and this card is gonna be inside the column. You get it? Did you understand? Did you understand the logic? Please respond. Did you see this? Like, did you see an outline? Did you see a box? Like, I need to give proper styling. So I need to give more padding, but it will look like a, hopefully, wait, I will write this card inside the left column. Did you see this card here? Oh, can you see? Can you see a small line? Okay, try to give more styling. Okay, I have not given any styling, so that is why it's looking very bad. You can give styling for card, like you can give the padding and everything. If you want, you can also add a button. It will look more real. Okay, so these are the basics. Maybe in the next class, I will teach you about, you know, few more content, read more button and the social media. I'll teach you in the next class. So now you can just finish, you can please start doing your blog. Okay, do you want me to share the layout? Do you want me to share the, no, right? You can design it by yourself, right? That's better. Like see, these are all the layout. These are cards, card 1, card 2, card 3. This is another row, column, 60 percentage column, 30% column. This is a full width column. Next class, I'll teach you how to make this in your footer, like with the social media, okay? This is again, this is not, uh, yeah, this is exactly half, but just try to see some examples, okay? You can just have a look at this one. This is like, I mean, this is too small, 20, maybe 40, 40, 20. 40%, 40%, 20%. So this is how you think. Like you can just Google some layouts, try to create a blog, okay? I will post it in your Google Classroom. Sorry, your EduNext. Today's class, maybe. Don't copy the same thing, okay? I'm sharing you this. Okay, please check your assignment on slot 30. Slot 30, okay? Please read the criteria very carefully, all right? You have a lot of time to do this work. Just 24th, 24th.